Hola a todos. En este video vamos a enfocarnos en algo súper importante para mejorar tu inglés. La conversación. Escuchar conversaciones en inglés es clave para mejorar tus habilidades. Te ayuda a mejorar la comprensión, la pronunciación y, por supuesto, a hablar con más confianza. Así que, si te pregunto algo durante el video, no dudes en responder. Practicar es lo que realmente te va a ayudar a avanzar. Si quieres mejorar tu inglés de manera rápida y divertida, quédate y acompáñanos en esta práctica. Vamos a aprender juntos. Por ejemplo, si yo te pregunto, ¿Do you like village or city life? Puedes comentar lo que te guste para que pienses en inglés. Ahora iniciemos nuestra conversación. Hi, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good too. So, I was thinking about the differences between village life and city life. What do you think about it?
Oh, that's an interesting topic. I personally prefer village life because it's more peaceful and closer to nature. What about you?
Well, I have lived in both village and city, and I think both have their pros and cons.
Did you notice the words here? Pros and cons. What does it mean?
It means advantages and disadvantages. Now, let's continue the conversation.
For example, in the village, people are more friendly and helpful, but the facilities are not as advanced as in the city.
Yeah, I agree with you. In the city, there are more opportunities for education, employment, and entertainment, but it's also more crowded and polluted.
Absolutely. I think it depends on the individual's priorities and lifestyle. For example, if someone wants to have a quiet and simple life, the village is a better option. But if someone wants to have a fast-paced and dynamic life, the city is a better option.
Absolutely. I think it depends on the individual's priorities and lifestyle.
Yes, that's true. But on the other hand, in the city, there is more diversity and exposure to different cultures, which can broaden one's perspective.
For example, if someone wants to have a quiet and simple life, the village is a better option. But if someone wants to have a fast-paced and dynamic life, the city is a better option.
Exactly. It's all about personal preferences and priorities.
That's a good point. Also, in the village, people have closer relationships with their neighbors and tend to support each other in times of need. But in the city, people are more independent and rely on themselves more.
But it's always good to have a balance between the two, if possible.
I agree with you. So overall, I think both village and city life have their own merits and demerits. It's up to the person to decide what suits them best.
Honestly, I'm not a big fan of keeping pets inside the house. Well, I think pets can be a lot of work and responsibility.
Yes, that's a good idea. It's always good to experience both ways of life and appreciate the differences.
Plus, they can also cause allergies or other health issues for some people. I can see that. but I also worry about the mess and potential damage they can cause.
Hey, Anna, how are you doing? I'm doing well too. Hey, I was thinking of getting a pet for my house. What do you think?
Dogs are definitely cute and friendly.
Really? Why not? I understand your concerns, but I think having a pet can be really rewarding too. They can be great companions and help reduce stress.
But they also require a lot of attention and exercise. Do you have the time and energy to take care of one?
That's a valid concern, but I think with proper training and care, pets can be well behaved and not cause too much trouble.
That's a good point. Well, I guess it's ultimately up to you.
Yeah, I suppose that's true. What kind of pet were you thinking of getting?
Just make sure you do your research and consider all the factors before making a decision.
I was thinking of getting a dog. I love how loyal and affectionate they can be. I do have a pretty flexible schedule, so I think I can make it work.
Of course. Anytime. Let me know if you need any more advice or tips on pet care.
Plus, I think it'll be good motivation for me to get more active too. Thanks for your input, Anna. I appreciate your honesty.
Oh, hey Anna. Not so good actually.
Oh no, what happened? You look really down. Did you have a fight with your girlfriend again?
Again? Well, me and my girlfriend broke up last night. She was cheating on me, Anna.
Oh, no, I'm sorry to hear that. What happened? Oh, Patrick, that's terrible. I can't imagine how you must be feeling right now.
I can't believe it.
I know, it's tough. But you'll get through this.
I don't even know what to do. I thought she was the one.
You deserve someone who treats you right and doesn't cheat on you.
Yes, that's true.
I know it's hard, but try to take some time for yourself and do things that make you happy. Focus on your hobbies and spend time with friends and family.
But on the other hand, in the city, there is more diversity and exposure to different cultures.
Of course, I'm always here for you. And remember, time heals all wounds. You'll find someone who loves and respects you for who you are.
Which can broaden one's perspective. Thanks, Anna. I appreciate your support.
Vamos a aprender todo el vocabulario nuevo que vimos en nuestra conversación. Es esencial conocer las palabras para hablar inglés con fluidez. Hay muchas formas de mejorar las habilidades de hablar en inglés, así que tal vez hables contigo, mismo en inglés, mientras haces tus actividades diarias, o tal vez busques oportunidades para charlar en inglés con las personas que encuentras. Pero, como sea que lo hagas, la forma más poderosa de mejorar tus habilidades de hablar en inglés es usándolas. Escuchar una grabación de tu propia voz puede sentirse extraño, especialmente al hablar en inglés, pero una vez que te acostumbras, grabarte hablando puede ser una herramienta poderosa para mejorar. Lo más importante que ayuda es la confianza. Te apuesto a que lo primero que notarás cuando escuches la grabación es que hablas inglés mejor de lo que pensabas. Otra cosa es la pronunciación o simplemente sentir las palabras en tu boca. Hablar un idioma extranjero es un ejercicio físico, para tu boca y necesitas ir al gimnasio. Si encontraste útil el video, por favor da like y suscríbete a mi canal.